This is why I love Pattaya, Thailand. The energy, the movement, the hustle, the freedom. You can feel life happening on every corner. And just when you think you've seen it all, you turn a corner and find the largest 7-Eleven in the world. What's going on, family? It's your man Matt DV, and today I am standing in front of the largest 7-Eleven in the world, right here in Pattaya City, Thailand. We're gonna go in here and see what's going on and see what this building and this 7-Eleven is all about. Let's go, let's go. The building is designed to resemble a ship. It includes a second floor cafe, a large diverse selection of premium snacks, freshly prepared meals, and a robot named Sinsamo. While the entire structure is very large, the actual retail area is supported by extensive parking and seating. It is not to be confused with the world's largest convenience store, which is Buc-ee's in Texas. Got a seating area outside, y'all. Right there. Right there, got an ATM machine. I think I need to visit that a little later. Press the button and get in. All right, y'all. All right, let's do some price comparisons. Let's check out some prices. Let's check out, okay. Toothbrush, 69 baht. You got the double, what is that? You got the double toothbrush. Let's look for some name brand toothbrushes. Okay, there's a Colgate toothbrush, 28 baht. All right, let's check out some more prices. Okay, Colgate toothpaste. I would say that this is bigger than the travel size. It's 35 baht. They have the bigger toothpaste here. It's not that long, it's that fat one. Colgate, 42 baht. And then they have the Total Active Prevention, 65 baht, Colgate. They got the little travel bottles of Listerine right there, 35 baht. Oh, let's check out some lotions. I don't really buy too many lotions. I know some of y'all do. They got the Pantene. That's the one that's a little bigger than my hand. Pantene lotion here, 99 baht. All right, let's check out some more. Y'all know I'm here for the food. I'm here for the food. Y'all thought this was a game? Look like some type of charging station there. Over here they got pastries, cookies. Oh, they got like one of those custardy pastries there, 21 baht. It's about that big, a little bigger than me putting my finger around it. They got some more. Oh, those look good. Remember I ate something like this in Bangkok? Oh my goodness. They got bananas. How much is one banana? 9 baht. One banana, 9 baht. What else do they have here? Let's check it out. Oh, what is this? This is the coffee spot, man. We should get some coffee. We might have to check it out. I know that's not the robot that they were talking about. They got snacks here, snacks. I'm about to get me something heated up. Let's go upstairs first, y'all. This is a big 7-Eleven. But and they said it's the largest. I guess it's because there's an upstairs here. We have a toilet here. There's a seating area up here where you can sit down and relax and eat your food. I'm coming back to sit up here, y'all. That's what it's gonna be. Let's look outside too from the window. You can get a nice view. I'm gonna sit right here in front of the window. I'm gonna eat some Thai food, have them microwave it. This is a lot of fun, really cool in here. The temperature is beautiful. Let's go get something to eat. Here we go, y'all. Oh yeah, water's right. 7 baht for water. That's a bottle of water, 7 baht. 2 liter waters, 13 baht. I'm on 1 liter, not 2 liter. 1 liter of water, 13 baht. Coconut water, 68 baht. And you got the Cocoa D, 69 baht. I'm going to get something to eat. And then I think I'm gonna get a water. I'm gonna drink a water with my food, y'all. All right. I'm looking for the food. Here it is, right here. This is it right here, y'all. We're gonna get something. What you got here? They got a 49 baht. What's this? This looks good. What is this, y'all? I don't know what that is. Stir-fried basil pork and rice. I think I had this before. And I think it was suggested by Beowulf. That sounds good. I think I want that. Let me get this one. What is this one right here? This one here is the rice mint spicy shrimp paste, relish, and sweet pork. Let's get the stir-fried pork, y'all. Stir-fried basil, pork, and rice. And that one feels greasy on the bottom. I don't know why. But I'm gonna go in the bottom. You know how you gotta rotate the stocks, right? I know, y'all. I'm that person that be going down low. Hold up, what is this? I don't look. I don't want nothing like no spaghetti. We gonna get this, y'all. Then we're gonna go upstairs and eat it. We're gonna have them heated up right here. All right? Oh, this, I might be at the wrong line, y'all. I'm at the wrong line. I was at the coffee shop. I gotta get my water too. All right, y'all, I'm gonna go get my water, have them heat this up, then we're gonna go upstairs and eat it. This is the water I like. It tastes like water I was raised up on. Yeah, I'll heat it up, yes. All right, the total with the water. Let's see what the total is. And I got the water. It's gonna come to 52 baht. 52 baht. All right, y'all, I got my goods right here. We going back upstairs. It is nice and cool in here. I just walked here. Maybe I'll show you guys some video footage from that walk. But the temperature in here is perfect. I got that chili sauce. Oh my goodness, that smells like it's a fresh cooked meal. Oh, y'all see that steam coming off of there? Look at this. Look at this, y'all. That right there looks like a fresh cooked meal. Some rice, and that minced pork on there, stir fry. Let's get it. Let's get it. First, I'm going for the rice. I'm gonna mix it up a bit though. That joke is still steamy hot. It smells so delicious. Wasn't getting big up, and thanks to Beowulf sent us some cash and was like, go to 7-Eleven and be trying their food there, and that's what we've been doing. Beowulf trying to kill me, y'all. That joke is good and spicy. It's official. If you like spicy, I mean, it's not making me cough spicy, but it's spicy. And the flavors of that basil and that rice, whatever else they got on there, is some beautiful seasonings. glad I got that water. Let's get into this meat more. I'm trying to take the peppers out. I want to eat it all real fast. But if I chew on them peppers, is that a pepper? I don't know if that's a pepper or a carrot, but I don't want to be tricked. And I've been sitting here a couple minutes. It's still piping hot and spicy hot. Once again, this is the stir fry basil pork and rice. This your man Matt DV. If nobody told you they love you today, you've been hanging with the wrong people, but you with the right cat now. I love y'all. Thanks for supporting us all the way over here in Pattaya, Thailand, and we'll see you at the next one. Peace.